Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your email follow-ups after LinkedIn chats with Mailchimp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the left-hand menu. Select the audience you want to work with. Click on Manage Audience and then choose Sign-up Forms. Choose the Form Builder option from the drop-down. Here, you can customize your email follow-up forms. Next, go to the Email Templates section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Email to start a new email campaign. Select Regular to create a standard email. In the email editor, give your campaign a relevant name. Set an engaging subject line that refers to recent LinkedIn chats. Now, add a personalized greeting in the email body. This could include the recipient's name or a mention of your LinkedIn discussion. Include a brief overview of what you discussed on LinkedIn. This will jog their memory and add context to your follow-up. Next, provide valuable content or resources related to your discussion. This can be links to articles, your website, or relevant documents. Make sure to include a clear call to action. Encourage them to reply or schedule a follow-up call. Customize your email further with images or brand colors. Once you're satisfied with the design, preview your email. Have a look at how it will appear on both desktop and mobile. After confirming everything looks good, save your template. Now, go to Campaigns and select Create Campaign. Choose Email and then pick your newly created template. In the Recipients section, select your audience or specific segments. Set the schedule for when you want the email to be sent. Double-check all the details before hitting the Send button. Finally, monitor the performance of your emails after they've been sent. Review open rates and responses to see how effective your follow-up was. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.